Good afternoon.
So good afternoon. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is my audio clear? Thagaratan, sir.
Yes.
Vanakkam, vanakkam. Yes.
Nice to see you, sir.
Very happy to see all of you. Everybody safe in Pondicherry? All good?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Over to you, sir. Yes. Did you make me the co-host or something? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
thanks.
Already
Thanks.
we have given, sir. We have.
I got it. I got it. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
Lama. Sir, shall we start the session, sir? Samuel,
Yes, sir. Over to you. Whenever, yes, whenever you're ready. I'm already set to go. Yeah.
So, good afternoon to one and all. So, once again, a warm welcome to all the participants. Day 4, Session 12, AST sponsored Faculty Development Program on Design Thinking, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sri Manakula Engineering College. So, now I invite Dr. G. Ganesh Kumar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, to introduce our speaker, Professor Samuel Johnson.
Thank you, Tyagarajan sir. A very good afternoon to all. So this is the fourth day, the 12th session of our Atal FDP on design thinking, the organized by Sri Manakala Engineering College, the Puducherry. I would like to thank the college management, the respected Director cum Principal, Dr. VSK Venkadajalapati sir, our beloved Professor and HOD, Dr. K. Velmurugan sir, for giving the wonderful opportunity. It's a great pleasure for me to introduce our speaker today. I tell you in this one proverb, so don't decrease the goal, so increase the effort. This word is equal to Professor Samuel Johnson, the Israel, is working as a motivation, come the trainer, a consultant trainer. His education, he is, sir is a bright, the capable graduated the MBA from the Karunya School of Management, Coimbatore. He has completed 2 online courses from Stanford University through the Venture Lab. The first course is creativity course. Second one is design thinking course. The academic employment, he is doing the currently teaching in the human resource, the outcome-based subject at VIT University Chennai. So, and also besides the coordinating the learning and the research cell. So taking care of the faculty training and the consultancy education programs for the last 6 years at BIT. He has worked with Murphy Academy with now rank stand for the training young faculty members and corporate employees. He has helping them to live happier and also the developing them as a successful the professional. He has Wipro, Dal and Cargenia certified master trainer. The another one proverb, the everyday may not be good, but there is a something good in every day. He has the motivational speaker and the corporate trainer. As far as the expertise or the multiple intelligence, especially for mind mapping, the brain and learning. So alternative teaching methodologies, the experimental learning, outcome-based training, the career management and the corporate the consultancy. He has the conducted more than 35 outbound the training programs with the international delegates, and also the conduct 170 the faculty development program across in India. He has visited the various countries such Germany, Poland, the Ivory Coast, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Tanzania, South Korea, Yemen, Myanmar, and Botswana. He has trained over more than 100,000 faculty members across 17 states in India over the span of 6 years. He has worked on 3-month DAT sponsored training, teaching and training. So MOU with the University College at German country from April 2012 to June 2012. SAR has published 2 international and 4 national the research journal paper on teaching and learning. SAR has written 3 the monographs, the specialist work for writing on the following topic, the mind mapping for accelerated learning. The second one is the multiple intelligence and its application in higher education. So third one is negotiation skill. SAR has signed 2 MOU, the Indonesian, the university and the VIT for various training program. Second one is a German university and the VIT for the faculty training. Last but not least, he has the another talent of the speak 6 Indian languages, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Urdu and English. And also the foreign languages, German and Spanish. So this is a brief introduction. I now request the professor, the Samuel Johnson, Srill sir, to address us the gathering.
All right. So thank you, sir. So kind of you for your kind invitation. I want to thank Sri Manukula Vinagar Engineering College, an autonomous institution, and the Department of Mechanical Engineering for giving us this invitation. I feel humbled. I feel honored to address all of you. And I'm so happy that I'm addressing a lot of teachers, from the teaching community. From various fields, from Andhra, Tamil Nadu, North India, South India, wherever you're from. And special thanks to Dr. Tyagarajan sir. Always, he used to, anything on design thinking, he'll always invite us and see that we are there on the schedule. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And we bring greetings from our VIT University. We feel that, we can all work together during this pandemic, challenging situations. I hope my voice is clear. If my audio is clear, you can go to the chat and type 1. If my audio is not clear, just put 0. I just want to know whether you are able to hear me. Are people there? Are people existing? Are people living? There are 2 kinds of participants in an online education. One participant who is existing and one participant who is living. So even though there are 88, which is a very big number, I can see many people are now giving 1, 1, 1. Thank you. Thank you for that. Okay. And what I'll do is now, I'll just quickly share my screen. I want to know a little bit about you. And Tyagarajan sir, we have time from 2:30 to 4. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have
Okay.
1.5 hours.
Yeah, please remind me at 3:45 so that we have a Q&A, and then by 4 o'clock we wind up as per your time. Okay.
Okay, I will remind you. Sir.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So what I'll do now is I will share my screen, and maybe can one of you quickly tell me whether are you able to see something on the screen? All right. So can people mute, unmute, or let's say Dr. R. Krishna, are you there? Dr. R. Krishna? Can you unmute yourself? Or Krishnan, or Giri Prashant, whoever it is. Giri Prashant. I'm just randomly giving access to people to, are you there, somebody?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Gurpreet this side.
Gurpreet ji, namaskar.
Namaskar, sir. And Mentimeter screen is very much visible. One
Okay,
of my
thank you.
favorite tools. So
Thank
excited.
you. So, thank you. Gurpreet ji, can you introduce yourself? Where are you from? And
Sir,
what do you teach?
I'm from New Delhi, and
Okay.
I am basically a educational consultant and trainer. And my basic core subject is computer science. And these days, I'm working on AI as a tool for empowering teachers to make data-driven decisions.
Wonderful. So maybe I should also connect you to, in our university, we have a very big lab called AIR, Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Lab, which we're doing a lot of work on education and AI together. Good to know.
We're
Good to
glad to
know.
be collaborating on that,
Good
sir.
to know. Thank you for joining. So I've given something on the chat for everyone. You need to go to menti.com and give a code as 3888267. So, ma'am, can you please quickly read the question and the code also, so that people can go either to the mobile or they can go to system. I don't know whether you're on PC or mobile. You can go to menti.com and please go give a code of 3888267. And ma'am, can you please read this question?
So everyone has to give any topic and word that you learned in design thinking. So we've been having sessions over the last 3 days. This is the 4th day. So whatever topics and words you learned in design thinking, you can put that in there.
Yeah, and we'll see it on the screen. Is that okay, Gurpreet ji?
Yes, sir.
दिल्ली में कहाँ से हो भाई?
Absolutely, sir.
दिल्ली में कहाँ से हो गुरप्रीत जी?
Sir, Janakpuri.
Janakpuri. Okay. Okay, so you please keep reading it. Gurpreet ji, क्या-क्या लिखे, क्या-क्या आ रहा है screen में? There are total participants of 91. Okay, and one has answered. So at least if 20-30 people answer, it'll be good. Can you please read that?
Edict and novelty.
Okay, Gaurav Chaitanya has answered. Thank you. Zankhana is saying additive manufacturing, biomimicking. Please type it on the, all right, mind mapping. Okay. Please put it on the Mentimeter. If you have challenges, then you can put it on the chat. I appreciate there are 2 people who have put it on the chat. Value proposition. Okay, so Ms. Zankhana Atho Darya. Please be prepared. Okay, Gurpreet ji, padhiye kya aa raha hai?
So a lot of things: creativity, 3D printing, novelty, simulation model, re-engineering, problem solving, reverse engineering, goal-oriented approach, innovation, innovative thinking, biomimicking, system thinking, design thinking in innovation, think outside of the box.
I love that one. Think
outside
of the box. उसको पकड़ो, उसके बारे में थोड़ा डिस्कस करेंगे.
Great.
Okay, Then, what are the other words? Okay.
I guess the others will put in some time. 9 people have responded as of now.
9 people have responded. Thank you to all the 9 people. Okay. Thank you. All right. So innovation is there, biomimicking. Okay. Let's also see the chat. Gurpreet ji, chat bhi dekh lo. बहुत सारे comments आ रहे हैं उसमें भी.
The edict जो उन्होंने लिखा था, they were actually outlining the 5 parts of design thinking: empathy, define, ideation, prototype and
testing.
Yes. And
Good.
they
वो
have also
तो 4 दिन में सुन के कान से खून आ गया होगा तुमको. हर लोग आते हैं भाई, एडिप्ट बोलते हैं डिजाइन.
Yes, sir. I guess apart from that, the only new thing which is there in the chat and not there in the mind mapping.
Mind mapping. Okay.
Word cloud में जो नहीं है और इधर है वो mind mapping है.
Mind mapping is there.
Rest is almost same.
Almost same. Good. I'm happy that people are participating. That shows that, at least there is some people who are alive and talking to the resource person. I thought it's like this, as though you're going to a movie and the movie guy is putting the movie without the movie and just chatting with you. You ask him, what is the hero doing? Then the hero will say, the theater fellow will say something like that. You understand? So आजकल के classes ऐसे हो गए. Yeah. You go to a movie, but you don't see a movie.
Yes, sir, I agree with you.
You discuss about the movie. Yeah. So, and the same thing when it happens in the class, we get really pissed off, बच्चे लोग ये नहीं डाल रहे कैमरा, they're not putting you know
Yes.
video போட மாட்டான், இது பண்ண மாட்டான், you know, it's a big thing.
Yeah. So the words which are standing out in the word cloud, sir: reverse engineering,
Reverse engineering.
innovation, additive manufacturing,
Hmm.
and creativity.
ये additive manufacturing के बारे में थोड़ा बोलो, என்ன அது கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க அதை பத்தி. What is that?
So that we had one of the session which focused on additive manufacturing, which was I think yesterday.
क्या होता है additive manufacturing बोलते? What is that?
I'm not from engineering field, sir. I will not take the responsibility of
Not take.
speaking on that.
So
Sorry.
can I
Anybody else?
respond?
Yeah, anyone?
Can I?
Tell your name, please. Tell your name.
I'm Jankna.
Jankana ji, where are you from? Introduce karo.
I'm from Vapi,
Okay.
Gujarat.
Which state? Gujarat.
Gujarat.
સોચે
I'm
મજામાં.
from બસ મજામાં sir. તમે કેમ છો?
કેમ છો? મજામાં.
I'm from Management Institute. So
Very good.
this is a technical term. I don't know much about that, but whatever I've learned through this seminar, I can respond in that way.
Yeah,
So
please tell
what
us.
what I understood is additive manufacturing talks about like it won't have any boundary, and you can apply your creative imagination. And it like one of the examples given was of carved out temple. So if you want to carve out a temple in a mountain, then you will be restricted through the size of that mountain. So subtractive, or I think some other term was there, that was the traditional approach. So in traditional approach you had a number of limitations, you were facing number of problems, and like in additive manufacturing all these limitations and problems won't be there. So you can apply your creative imagination, whatever I understood through that. And that's why it is again a concept of design thinking, that like you won't have any boundary, and with your creative imagination you can provide a creative solution for a problem. So that I understood. I don't
Good,
know
thank
it's
you.
right
Thank you.
or
You've
not.
given a lot of things on the chat also. So you'll be getting the most active participant award today in my chat. I have competitions for every participant. So thank you,
I
Zankana.
actually it's for our benefit. So
Good, very
I
good.
appreciate, but I think no participant need award or something. Like we are going to get lot many takeaways
Rewards.
from this. Yes, rewards.
You get
So
a lot of rewards. No, but
yes, yes.
good.
Thank you, sir,
Thanks for giving all that
appreciation.
updates, because it's very important to have a revision as a teacher, you know. I
Yes,
was happy
exactly.
to know that. So can you just go to the next question, Zankana ji, and read what is the next question?
Can design thinking be done in higher education and for faculty members?
What are the options given?
Yes and no, and the
Let's see what
maximum
is it.
response is yes, I think right now.
Chat में भी आ रहा है, yes बोल के,
Yes.
and इधर भी आ रहा है. Okay, I really appreciate that. You know, I think so because you attended all the 4 days, and you might have heard so much about design thinking. Many people think design thinking is only for manufacturing products, you know, industries. ऐसा सोचते हैं, लेकिन you know, education can do the best. And today I'm only going to talk from my case study, how I use design thinking and what I've done, right? So how I've designed my own teaching design studio at home during the pandemic. How did I do my empathy studies? How did I do my interviews? How did I get to know from people? So, and how I use the design thinking cycle. So it may be useful for you as a teacher. So many people are saying yes, yes, yes. It's 100% yes, and no one said no. So can I go to the next question? Yes. So I just want to know what's your background so that I can give little focus on that areas also. As a faculty, there's an other option also. So if you do not belong to any of this and you belong to something else, if it's management or BCom or BBA or BSc or nursing, or I don't know, whatever is your department, you can select that, so that I understand my audience before drafting my own talk for the next 30 minutes. Okay. Are you using interactive tools in your sessions with the resource persons, or it's like a one-way traffic? मैं बकते रहूंगा, तुम सुनते रहो. நான் ஏதோ சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பேன், நீங்க கேட்டே இருக்கணும். Yeah.
So I use a lot of Mentimeter, Padlet, Forms.
Not much.
I use Flipgrid also. For
Flipgrid is very
students
good
also.
one.
I use Kahoot with students a lot because they love the gamification part in that.
Yeah.
So these are some of the tools. Yes, there are many, but these are the some favorite ones, I would say.
Good ones to have an engaging audio sessions, you know. Okay, so there we go. Others means I can see in the chat it's management and MBA and business school and whatever. They may be from other arts and science colleges. Physics, somebody says Singara Vaida Velu professor. He says I am from physics. Okay, perfect. Okay, so there is ECE, there's EEE, and there's more of mechanical, and there's more of others. So it's a very big mixed crowd. That's what I want to say. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the last question I have. Ma'am, can you please read this question?
It's your name and city where you are logged in from.
Yeah. Your name and your city name, both. So that, oh, Gaurav Chaitanya from Indore. Okay, the financial capital of Madhya Pradesh. Very good place to eat. Puducherry. Krishna Raj from Chennai. Nazima Kausar from Adoni. I think so Adoni is from the Andhra. Oh, we are from Assam. Okay. Okay, thank you. Hemant from Pondicherry. Thank you. Hemant from Pondicherry. Okay, Vilupuram. So it's a mix of Gurpreet from New Delhi. Okay. All right. So at least I got some fair idea now. Thank you. Let me just close this Mentimeter. Let me close this here. And let me also just put some people in the, I can see some, okay, I can mute all. All right, so I've muted all for, because there's some disturbance from here and there. What I'll do is I will just keep one or two people as an unmute, and you people can, anytime you want, you can raise hand, or I will also give Gurpreet Kaur. Okay. So Gurpreet Kaur, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
And you can help me out whenever I ask questions. Then maybe Ganesan, Ganesan, Ganesan. You can also unmute. I've given you the access to do that. All right. So thanks for that background. I got to know what is that you people have done, and how is that you people are going to work about it. Can you just quickly go to the chat and type only one question? You can just type the answers. Is do you people like hearing lectures, or do you people like to hear what somebody has done something and what you can do with that? I give you choice. Do you want to hear lectures, or do you want to hear a lecture from someone who has done something so that you also want to do something? Which is more important for a teacher? That's, I just want to hear from you. And Gurpreet ji, you can go to the chat and you can see and tell me what is coming up more. What's coming up the highest in in the chat? Okay, do something what something else have done. We get motivation when we hear them learning from others. Okay, now all of you are teachers. Okay, my question is, do you want to be somebody or do you want to be anybody in the teaching fraternity, in the university, in the faculty, in consulting, as a trainer? Do you want to be somebody or do you want to be anybody? Quick, put it on the chat. Do you want to be somebody or do you want to be anybody? Okay. I don't want to be nobody. I want to be useful. My unique identity as a person to empower. So most of you are saying you want to be somebody. Okay. All right. So I have my next question, and you people can answer on the chat. If most of you said you want to be someone and not anyone, if you want to say that you want to be someone and not anyone, answer this question to yourself. What is it something I did in my academics differently than my other counterparts, which is making me unique? If you want to be somebody, you need to do something what others have not done. This is a thumb rule. All right. Samuel Johnson is a professor, Sonan is a professor, Gaurav Chetan is a professor, Navnita is a professor, Harish is a professor, everybody is a professor. What is that one thing you did something which others have not done? For example, everybody is doing Scopus Index paper, you are also doing Scopus Index paper. And by the way, paper presentation, publication, it's all for your selfishness. It's all for you. It's for your personal promotion. It's for your personal thing. What is that one thing which you did by which through your academics that the course has come, the course outcome has come to change the world, to change a village, to solve a problem of the industry? All right. So covering syllabus has got nothing to do with the design thinking. All right. Anybody can cover the syllabus. All right. Anybody can cover the syllabus. All right. And even if you don't give today, all right, everything is available online. Okay. So just put this question to yourself. If I want to be someone, I need to do something what others have not done. What it is, it's up to you personally. So please put that question, my dear friends. I always put the question to myself before every semester, before every Board of Studies academics, before every time I bring my new course. I put that question, Sam, what is that one thing which others have not done till now in the campus? All right. So that only will make something. Okay. And what's the only difference of spelling between ordinary and extraordinary? Quick. The word ordinary teacher and extraordinary teacher, ordinary professor, extraordinary professor, ordinary person and extraordinary person. What is the only thing which is different there? The word extra, right? In the chat, you can see that. What is it extra you have done, my dear professor? Gurupreet Kaur, what is that extra you have done? Harish, what is that extra you have done? Prakash, what is that extra you have done? Rajesh, what is it extra you have done? All right. So, yes, sir, I did my PhD. That is for your personal greed. All right. I did publication. That's for your personal greed. I have impact papers. I have impact H-index, I-index. All right. Through your impact research papers, what impact did you do on the society? Through that paper, I'm asking, my questions are very tough. All right. Through that impact research paper, what impact did you do to the society or to the industry need? Or you might have found some gap analysis, or you might have done some hypothesis, or you might have done some testing, and you'll say, hey, we did this. All right, I did this on S-basis, I did on regression, I did a factor analysis, I did a t-test, I did a SEM model. What impact did your work do on the need of the society? All right. So it's very, very important to put these questions. All right. I know my questions may be tough. All right. Whatever you did, all right, whatever I did, I need to give an impact to the need of solving a problem. That's where AICT, NIRF, NAC, NBA, whatever it is, all right, gives you high impact on your scaling, on your ranking, or on your societal impact, whatever you do. All right. And some people are saying, yes, sir, I've given a chance to become entrepreneurs to my students. Wonderful. Made students to earn with the project. That's wonderful. So impact, this is, Dr. Krishna Raj is saying there, and imparting professionalism, so many people are doing good job. Okay. If I'm doing the same thing what others are doing, there's no point of coming to this kind of webinars. And why do people come to webinars? There are different reasons. Get a certificate, give it to IQAC coordinator, give it to your HOD, and get your performance income. That's it's there. Some people are there like, I really want to learn something. All right. And government does something, ASAT has a fund, and they'll give to colleges like this, and then it's a different story. And some of you do not know why you registered also. That's also another story. All right. So keeping all these things in mind, I just thought that let me just quickly share with you not what is uh, design thinking and all this stuff. So I was told by the committee and by the organizers that, sir, can you just show us a little bit of how design thinking can help an educator, all right, in terms of its education. Yeah. So maybe first I'll not show my work. I'll just quickly take you through the basic things, how you can have your studies here. Okay, so let me just show you a couple of pictures, and then you can just go there and quickly maybe, is there somebody called Gunashekhar, sir? Are you there? Can you unmute yourself? Gunashekhar, Gaurav Chaitanya. Are you people there? Can you hear me? All right. Gurpreet Kaur, anybody? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
I've given you options to some people, not everybody. Yeah.
Yes,
So,
so I can now.
okay. So just see the screen, ma'am, and tell me whether are you able to see something there? Yeah. Um, this is a very good book. Are you able to see something on the screen? Or let me make it smaller for you. Is there something called Design Thinking for Educators? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is an amazing book. It's a 129 page. I will upload this right now in your chat at the end of the program. You can download it from the chat, or I'll give it to the organizers, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Tyagarajan, and they will send it to you in your email. So somehow you will get this in your email or in your chat. It's a wonderful book. I recommend all of you, to read this, to go through this and understand that how design thinking is written for educators. And so many case studies are given here of different universities, different professors, how they worked it, how they designed it, how they did their studies, how did they went till prototype and then came back, how they went till testing and came back. Amazing book, this one. Yeah. And there is a small one here. Can somebody read this for me? I'll just highlight it for you. Yeah, this is from Harvard, from the Teaching and Learning Lab. Can somebody read this for me in the title there?
Design thinking in education. In fields of design, there exists a vocabulary, shared mindset, and toolkit of strategies for understanding challenges and building innovative solutions. Education can benefit from adapting these practices to pedagogy, classroom and school design, and policy development.
Okay, here I want to add one more word to all of you. I don't know whether you can see this word called pedagogy here. Yeah, I want all of you to by heart two other words. Pedagogy. There are two different syllables. Peda means child. Goji means the science of teaching a child. Are you with me, everybody? Peda means child. Goji means the science of teaching a child is called pedagogy. If you're teaching in higher universities or higher education, you cannot use the
Pedagogy.
word pedagogy. You have to use the word andragogy, A-N-D-R-A. Andra means adult, all right, or adolescent. Goji is the science of teaching adolescent. If you're teaching a PhD program or MPhil program or research program or a postdoc students, you cannot use the word pedagogy and andragogy. You need to use the word heutagogy. Heuta, H-E-U-T-O. Heuta is self-learning, because all your research scholars you see, when you give them a coursework or when you give them a lab experiment, it's all on their own. They just come to the guide for verification, validation, and again they go back. All right. So there is pedagogy, there is andragogy, and there is heutagogy. So wherever teaching, you're doing your coursework. If you're doing for school, nothing wrong. You can use pedagogy. For higher education, andragogy. For self-learning and research programs, you can use the word heutagogy. All right. So I hope that was very clear for them. Yeah. And all these theories, I don't want to talk about it, because theory is a self-learning process. All right. And I wish that, you know, all these things was told to you, how to work on it, what to do, and all this stuff. You can contact them. You can meet this two things for you. So one is this book, which is a 129 pages. Read it, learn from this. I've done so many workshops just from reading this material. It's a wonderful, fantastic thing. We need to thank the people who have put together such a great lesson. Yeah. And is that visible, sir, ma'am? Yes, no, no, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
book topic is visible.
Okay. I'll send it to you. Sham ko bhej dunga, so that everybody can have it. And I would strongly recommend you, if you want to buy a good book, I would recommend this. It's available on Amazon. Design Thinking for Education, Conceptions and Applications in Teaching and Learning. It's a 144, 150 page book, and wonderful. It has got a lot of things to do with from the education point of view. Okay. So this is one good book which I can recommend you people. And maybe if you want, I can do, why can't I just take this and put this link in the chat, and you people can save the chat at the end so that everybody can take it. Are you getting the links on the chat, please, everybody? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the second one on the title now? Harvard University link.
Design Thinking in Education.
All right. So मैंने जो दिखाया
From
ना,
Harvard. Yeah.
whatever. So, and then I would recommend you strongly to please go to this third link, which I'm putting on the chat later on. This is all for your self-learning, not now. All right. It's a very good handbook guide for the teachers. All this thing, I don't want to talk about empathy, define, ideate. ये आप सुन के थक गए होंगे, you know. இது கேட்டுட்டு அவங்களுக்கு மண்டை கொஞ்சம், you know, different இருக்கும். Because all 4 days, everybody might have told about all these things. What I want to tell is, what is it I have done little bit? How did it give me impact? How did it improve my social visibility? How did it improve my international network in the last 4-5 months? I'll only talk about those things. Yeah. And this link is amazing. If you want, you can also go here. That's where the book, you can get it from IDEO Lab. And I'm sure you might have read about IDEO Lab in all the sessions. All right, Design Thinking for Educators. So I've given the link also to all of you. So chat mein mil gaya ji, did you get? Vandachinga chat la naale link kudute. All right, did you get it, everybody? Yes, no?
Yes,
No?
sir. Yes.
Okay. So let me stop sharing this now. I think so these are all the things which I thought you people can explore by yourself. Now quickly go here to this presentation. Just explain in your own words or type. If you want, you can talk on the mic. What comes to your mind when you see this picture? Quick. All right. Your own explanation.
There are so many thoughts, sir.
हाँ बोलिए, 2-3 बोलिए जी.
There are so many thoughts which is making the person to think,
Okay.
unable to decide which one he has to select.
Okay, unable thoughts, unable to decide. Okay, good. ये क्या है सर, ये पिंक में व्हाट इज ऑल दिस? என்ன இதெல்லாம் பக்கத்து பக்கத்துல on TV பார்க்கறான், he is seeing TV, देख रहा है ना? What is it? What are all these things beside him? Corona. Yeah. So the student is fixed now. All right. So what do I do? You know, I am at home. There is no regular class. It's all online class. Yeah. And tell me, in your institution, did you get mails or calls from parents? All right. I'm writing here to reduce fees. Did you get any calls like that? Sir, everything is happening online. You're not using college infrastructure. Why are you taking so much of fees? Can you reduce the fees? Yes or no? Quick, quick, quick. You can unmute and talk, you know. Yes, no, no, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
People are saying yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it's not easy, you know. Parents have their own questions, but you know, we took it as a challenge in our university that even in abroad, you know, I have a very strong relationship with international relations in a lot of top universities, which I have established over the number of 15, 16 years in my VIT university. And we got to know from all our partners in the US, in Europe, in Australia, that the online education fees has increased, and the regular college fees, it used to be the opposite before COVID. Online education fees used to always be less, and the regular course fees used to be higher. All right. Now, whether it's online, offline, the universities have to give the good output and good quality. All right. Otherwise, it's a big thing. Now let's go to the next. Where is it? Okay. Is it possible that things can go, or do you think that by Jan 2020 we all will become normal? Quick, your take for your university. Quick, you can unmute, you can tell.
I don't think so, sir.
Jan 2021, sir.
I don't think so.
I
Okay.
don't think so.
I don't think so. Okay, let me put there another one. Possible? Just quick, yes or no? July 2021.
Maybe,
will
sir,
never-
because
will
it will be summer season, so
never
it may be.
Maybe.
It
Okay.
will never be the same, sir. I think now we'll have to change our focus. We'll have to reinvent the wheel, relearn, unlearn, and relearn from our past experiences.
Okay. I gave you December 2021. What do you say? Only for education. I'm not worried about cinema. I'm not worried about mall. I'm not worried about travel, aviation industry. I am worried about, all right. Ankit Kumar says normal by 23rd November from Gujarat. Right. So, okay. So it's a big question mark for all of us.
Maybe virtual reality, sir. Virtual reality or augmented reality education we'll see in 2021 at the end.
Good. Who's that? Who's that? Who said that?
Manjunath, sir.
Manjunath ji, just introduce yourself. Where are you from?
I am Dr. Manjunath, sir, from Bhimreddy Institute of Management Science, Adoni, sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Adoni, Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Are you able to see my video?
No, sir. Just now I am looking at the image.
Okay.
Now it's playing.
Let me show you my video and I'll spotlight for everyone. Okay. Are you seeing my video now, everybody? Yes, no?
No, sir.
अरे वीडियो
Yes,
मेरा
sir.
नहीं दिख रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir. दिख रहा है.
क्या
You are
भाई
there on the
साहब?
screen.
हाँ, okay. See there. Just now one sir from Adoni said, right? AR, VR. दिख रहा है ये? This is
Yes,
a
sir.
VR gadget.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
VR device.
Okay. I am a professor who like to show things of what I'm doing. I hate to talk about things what I'm not doing. So I hope you're getting my message as a resource person. I repeat again. I love to share the things what I'm doing. I hate to talk about the things what I know but what I'm not doing. Are you understanding the difference?
Practice and not preach.
So this is my VR gadget. Okay. We started doing research. I don't know why we started in 2016, 2017, and 2018. 2018, I got full involved in this and we prepared a lot of notes, a lot of content. You can see here, there is a gap here, and this is where the cell phone. If you have Realme, you have AR, augmented reality, into the VR machine. You just need to slide it in. Our labs are virtual. Our simulations are virtual. Our campus tour is virtual. If any parent is coming to the campus, they need not go anywhere. We have an integrated AR VR lab in the entrance. All right. There are individual systems now that, again, social distancing, they can sit there. They can go inside the hostel. They can go inside the mess. They can see the kitchen. They can see the restroom. They can see the bank. They can see the gym. They can go inside the gym. You get the point. Everything done by students. The only thing is hardware, we bought it. We integrated a couple of things. And because we're able to do it, so many universities have asked that model. All right. So many universities have asked that model. Now, I did not invent VR machine, but something made us see the review of literature that, hey, this is going to be the future. Now, more than 20, 25 international schools, we are giving this as a whole package. Now, hardware is already available. That's what I told you. What is it? You have done something with what others have not done. What others have not done is they did not create a content for an international school. They did not create a content for a science experiments. They did not create a content for a CBSE. Some people created a content, but not for IB curriculum. So many things are there, my dear teachers, what you can do. Okay, and I'll show you with proof, whatever I'm talking about. So design thinking is not just a joke. You can do an excellent work. AR, VR is the future. I really want to thank the professor who has told about this. So, sir, can we go to the next screen there? Are you able to see the picture there?
Sorry to interrupt. Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Yeah.
Actually, in Andhra Pradesh recently, they have distributed the textbooks to the school students with a QR code generator where they can experience the reality of that poem or content.
Good. Yeah, a lot of good initiations are happening. Yes or no, sir? Yeah.
But in higher education, it is not happening, sir.
But my question is, are you the leader or are you the follower? All right. Are you the leader or are you a follower? All right. So at VIT University, we always feel, can we be a leader in this? Can we be the first to do this? So that people can ask us, people can come for consulting. All right. If somebody has already done it, and if you're able to do it again, yaar usme maja nahi aata hai na? Am I right, my dear faculty members? Yes or no? Are my questions correct, or is it making wrong assumptions, my questions? I just want to hear from you people. Yes or no?
Correct, sir. Absolutely correct.
Yeah. So as a teachers in education, there's no point in doing something what already have done. Are bolenge yaar ye to already hai, to what is so new in this? All right. So think about it. There's a huge space for design thinking in this model of school education. And I want to tell you, there's a huge space even in higher education and in the organization. Even corporate industry needs design thinking a lot. So my dear friends, whoever you are, I want to encourage you. Thank you for taking an amazing initiative to join this program. And let's thank this Pondicherry College for arranging this. So from now, whatever I'm going to show is my work. It's not a great thing what I've done, but I'm happy that, again, I always tell you, I wanted to be someone and not anyone. So March 20th, 2020 was a lockdown email which came to us. And from then forth, they said you need to leave the university, because you can just imagine in VIT University, it's a 36,000 campus students, 3,000 teachers from all across India and abroad. So all states in India and more than 62 different countries. Now we had to immediately leave and just go home. So that is where I thought, if I'm going to be teaching from home, what is it I can do? And that is what organizers, have told. All right, so can you teach what you guys have done? And since I'm more involved in social entrepreneurship and design thinking courses in my university, I thought I'll just quickly give you these things. So how to design a YouTube studio. And before this, can I just let me discard these things. Can somebody read what title I gave to this one? Where is the title? Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, what's the title I gave this? Can somebody quickly read, please?
Creating and designing Atmanirbhar
Home Studio for Teaching, Design Thinking Case Study
Okay.
by
And
Professor Samuel Johnson K.
yeah. So what is the word I'm highlighting there, my dear teachers?
Self-dependent.
Atmanirbhar.
ये मेरा स्टेटमेंट है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर का है बा? ये मैंने बनाया क्या आत्मनिर्भर?
मोदी जी ने बनाया.
मोदी जी ने बनाया, पूरा हिंदुस्तान बोल रहा है आत्मनिर्भर आत्मनिर्भर. So what's the meaning of आत्मनिर्भर?
Self-dependent, self-independent, I would say.
Being independent.
Yes.
Yeah. That means trying to be self-dependent. Yeah. And this is what I've done. And being in academic staff college, it's my responsibility to ensure that my teachers learn all these things. They do these things. And I wish that with the next 15-20 minutes, if you have a notebook, please, please, please write down. And I don't know whether these videos are being recorded by the organizers. If you want, you can, or all the things are available on my YouTube channel. I'll give my details at the end of the talk so that you can quickly go through it. All right. So let me just quickly screen this. So the ABCD is what you studied then. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll. All that has been changed. Yes or no? Jaldi bolo. Somebody has to quickly answer me. Then only I get, that okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, it has changed.
Yeah. Abhi jo dikh raha, is it correct, ma'am? A lot of international schools are teaching like this. A for
True,
apple,
sir.
B for bottle, C for chat, D for download, E for email, Facebook. Badal gaya bhai. Yeah. So here, what I'm trying to tell you is every teacher, all right, has to set a text around the context. Are you able to see what I'm writing there? My dear teachers, whatever subject you're teaching, there is a text to that context. There is a text in the syllabus copy, but you need to set a context around the text. Then only you are a professor of difference. If you're not able to set a context around the text with your new design of methodology, of andragogy, all right, I'm sure you're going to hit very badly in the market, and you'll just be a professor, but not a professor with, a difference. I repeat again, these are all my self quotations. You can check it on my Facebook. You can't find this in different websites. You need to set, every teacher should set a context around the text of what you teach. And that should change every semester, all right, because the industry is changing. Now here in this picture, my dear teachers, ABCD is not changing here, but the context of what ABCD you learned in the 80s or the 90s and now 2020, the context has changed. What context are you going to design your education pedagogy, your education andragogy, your education heutagogy? How are you going to change it? All right. I'll skip certain things here, and I'll also give you a couple of websites later on. Okay, can you see something here on the screen? Somebody quickly, what is there on the screen?
Digital exams at VIT University, no paper, 2013 onwards.
Madam, Corona कब आया madam?
2020 sir.
हाँ, तो लोग अभी आ रहे हैं, okay? But I'm happy to tell you that we were from the pioneering batch, the only university to make the entire descriptive exam. Can you see my student? He's writing, he's not typing. Can you see that? All right. And this
Yes,
is
sir.
the biomet, and this is indigenously designed. There's only one company in India. He's a monopoly guy. All right. Now, of course, we have saved more than 4 crores of budget only buying the papers. That's a different story. We have become green. All right. We have supported environment, and we got a lot of awards for this. And no wonder in NIRF, we are always standing top 1 among the private universities. No wonder we have gone to the world ranking of top 800. No wonder we have gone world ranking in the top 200 for computer science program. No wonder, consistently we are number 1 for so many years. Being number 1 in the first time is different. So there are so many new things which we worked. And I still remember that time is the time when we just heard design thinking. We got programs, we got certified. And this was a big challenge. Many people laughed at us. And many people said, sir, if you're making the whole exam on this, UGC will ask you the papers, right? You understand? The least answer sheet and the highest score and the average. Nikalna padta hai na? We should keep on the course file. Am I right or wrong? Am I talking your language? Or am I talking some
Yes,
Greek
sir.
and Latin? Yeah. Even in this, the
Got
whole thing is on PDF. Okay. Now, can you see here arrow mark? This is a biometric for that student. There's a stylus. He comes there, he sits there, he has to put his thumb or fingerprint because it's already taken in the starting of the course of the semester. Now, even if the attendance is 74.3, all right, our minimum attendance is 75% hai, so you are eligible for the exam. So we don't have any notice board, nothing. All right. He has to come here, put the fingerprint. If it is 74 less, it will not open the tab. It will be blank. And they'll get a message, thank you so much, your attendance is low. You can leave the room. That's all. No need of permission, no need of printout, nothing. They know it. Okay. Then this will be evaluated by the teacher anywhere, anytime. Anywhere, anytime. All right. Now, the reason I'm showing you is every project what we did in education, because my expertise is education technology, how to bring technology in evaluation, how to, now every college is saying, sir, we want to know about online education. We want to know about online evaluation. We're trying using Google Classroom. We're trying using, quizzes. We're trying to do Kahoot, but how to do, but from 2013, when we could do for thousands of students in a slot wise, in a batch wise, it was a pain first for the teachers, but we had to give training, and every student gets 2 days of training in the starting of the semester, every semester. All right. Can somebody see this, a picture of me in a village setup? Yes, no, no, yes, quickly.
We can see a picture, whether it's you or not, I really don't know.
Okay, yeah, that's me there. Okay. And this is our, we took a sample village in Tamil Nadu near Madurai. So we did a survey in a village and we found, this is all a part of my course on design thinking and social entrepreneurship, that course. So their bags used to be very big. I know, did you notice that? The bag of the student is more than the weight of the child sometimes, almost equal to the weight. And we thought, why so many books? Why so much of bag? Okay, so this tab, what you see in my hand, is not mine. It belongs to Kamala. All right. Now she's grown up. Now she's in 6th grade. Okay, and she's doing a good job. Her mother. So we tried this in places where there's no internet and where there's no power. Okay, it was wonderful. It was successful. And these are some of the digital learning programs, which this is me there. These are my students. These are the village children whom we take as a project. You can see them, never they have touched in their life, but now they're able to work. They're able to do things on digital learning. Okay, and these are all zero-based budget. Okay. All right. So these are all zero-based budget programs. Okay. Whatever you're seeing there, this is somewhere in Tamil Nadu. So this is in Madurai in a night school, because daytime. This is a tribal school in Karnataka. It's an amazing tribal school. I don't have much time to talk about it. We made this tribal school as a digital school. All right. And this is in Kannada government school. This is a special technology education for special children in Tambaram. They're special child. So voice to text, text to voice, how AI can interpret things. And this is the picture. And can somebody see what date is it on the photo? Virtual reality and AR in education. There's date and time. Which year did we start this?
2018, 16th May.
16 May 2018. All right. So I can honestly say we're not the number one, but we are the leaders, which we started this way back in certain pockets in higher education. And that's me when we were doing a testing. And yes, it worked. We had a lot of challenges. We had to go to the prototype, again, come back. We had to go to prototype, again, come back. All right. It's not easy job. All right. So this is what happens. I wish that each of you as a teacher, you can have the following. Can somebody quickly read this for me, please? What are the things I've given on the screen quickly?
How to design a YouTube studio, basic things to have for recording, basic home studio and video lectures, whiteboard, writing digital pad or pen, external mic, erasable wall paint, writable paint, green screen, editing tools, power bank, external hard disk.
Okay. Now, these are the basic things which you need to have as a teacher. Okay. I'll quickly show you my studio here, what is there. I'll also tell you where to get these things from and how this will be useful for you guys. Okay. So if you can have this, it's well and good. Can somebody tell me what you're able to see there on the screen, please, quickly?
A camera and a studio setup, sir.
Okay, it's a, okay. So if you're, this is where I'm sitting now. I don't know whether you can see this chair. Can you see there? I'm putting an arrow, chair. Yeah, this is where I'm sitting right now, Okay. So thermocol, I got it. These are all homemade, not a big thing. Thermocol, these are 2 lights, 160 bucks, not a big deal. Got some wire, got some holders, worked on it. This is the very important one, which I have. You can see it here. It's my GoPro. All right. And this is my external camera, Canon. I'm not asking you to buy this. There's GoPro, and these are pretty costly. I've been using this for years, but what small things you need to have to create a high impact, but all this I did a design thinking. I sent questionnaires, I sent emails, I spoke to people, I got their inputs. All right. And this is the mic, which we've been using. One laptop for video, one for editing, and headset and all this stuff. All right. So I hope you can see this when I'm working here. Can you see that? Yeah. Is it visible, the home studio?
Yes, sir.
And I will tell you why I call it at Atmanirbhar and how design thinking helped me after reading the design thinking for educators. Okay. So this is our actual studio, which is about 6 crore budget in VIT Vellore. It's called VIT OL, VIT Open Learning. So more than 24,000 students registered from all the campuses for courses, because this is a very high studio. You can see me there. We have 4 studios at the same time. 4 teachers can go to 4 different rooms. All right. I'm standing here. I have my pad writing. There's a camera, and I can see myself as a newsreader. And there's a post-production and there's a pre-production. So there's a well-built studio. Yaar, itna banaya, itna 6 crore ka investment dala. That's all hats off to my management. But what to do now? All right. I can't go. My teachers cannot go to the studio. So how do I record my classes? All right. Now that's where Atmanirbhar comes into picture. All right. So this is our one studio, which is a sample. Like this, I told you we have 4 parallel rooms and we have timetable. Every different room has a different branch of engineering for their own time slots to come there. All right. These are all my students. All right. I also teach a course called, it's a liberal art education course, sociology. So one of the project was to convert this government school in Guntur into a digital school, which was amazingly done by my students. All right. I don't know whether you can identify me somewhere. Can you see me sitting there? Yeah. Can you see me there? Is it there on the screen or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. I want to tell you one thing. Do something and then talk about it. Don't do and then never talk about it. All right. So if you do something, talk about it, publish that work. All right. Rather than publishing and then trying to do something. Okay. So this is a whiteboard you can buy. And even if you don't want a whiteboard, nowadays you have a wall, all right, erasable paint. Have you heard about this? It's available on Amazon also. You can paint it in
Yes,
such
sir.
a way that whatever you write, you can erase it like a regular board. All right. And you can keep your camera on the opposite. So I'm giving you options. Either you have that, or nowadays you're getting white sheets. White sheets, whatever is your room size, or if it is 2x6 or 6x8 is your wall, you can buy that from Amazon, just stick it, and then it becomes a whiteboard and you can write. Or you can use virtual whiteboard online, or you can buy a board like this, because for mathematics and all, you can start writing. Am I correct? You're getting the point. And for Mike, I would recommend you to go for Boya. I'll show you everything at the end. All right. It's very comfortable, just $12 to $13. 90 to 95% of all the YouTubers use Boya. All right. Because it's high quality. It's pretty simple. Just put one pin. You can use it in your camera. You can use it in your mobile. You can use it in your PC or laptop. Boya. Okay. It just comes around $1,100. You can get it in Amazon, Flipkart, or whatever. If you have a little more budget, go for $22. Go to Dutch Kings. This is fantastic for high quality video, this thing. Or you can go for Aperture. There's another one. Or you can go to Rode. This is a little more costly one, and most of the studios have RODE. You can see this in film studios, singing, music, news readers. They use it. If you're doing a two people in the campus interview with two people, I would recommend you to have this Komika dual head. All right, so that there's only one input but two outputs, so that two people can interview at the same time. It's a wonderful mic. So if you get some industry people, you want to interview them, you can do it, or you can go for Sony ECM. All right, this is a good one. Most of the outdoor news readers use it. All right, Sony ECM. And whatever you're seeing me writing here, I'm using Bamboo Wacom series because it's useful for me to teach for my maths, and I teach operational research OR. So for my formulas, for my everything, it's easy for me to write. So there are so many, not just one. I would recommend you to use Microsoft OneNote. It's a good one. It comes as a package. If you have an official Microsoft tie-up, you can use that. I can also recommend you to have Camtasia, which is a 30-day trial. Format Factory is open source. It's free. Adobe Premiere, again, it's paid. Filmora is free, right? Or if you're using Apple, there's amazing ones, Final Cut Pro, all right, and all the stuff if you're using it. And I would also recommend you to download a tool called Handbrake. Okay, a Handbrake is a open source software which will work on Apple, Mac, Android, or Linux. This is a video compression tool. All right, so if your video is 20 GB, it will compress a video so that you can easily upload it and download it. Handbrake, it is free, paisa nahi hai. So please
So
download
video
it.
quality will be good, sir, in this?
Yes, ma'am.
We
It depends on the
compress.
camera which you take. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it will help you to compress because, ma'am, the bandwidth is very less in India. You're getting the point. So if the student is seeing a very high bandwidth video, to upload, it will take time for you. For them to buffer, it will take time. And by the time the per day utility will go. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
yes.
and I request everyone to make short videos, 10 minutes, 8 minutes. If you want to do more, do part 1, part 2, part 3. Is it okay? But don't do big video and give it to the people. Yeah. So the lot of things. I really appreciate this teacher, wherever this teacher is from, even though she doesn't have as many things as possible, doing something with what she has. She has a mobile, she has a hanger, she had some clothes. This photo went viral. I don't know. In the lockdown period, it went viral. Have you seen this? Yeah, it is wonderful how a teacher is doing her commitment, yeah, and doing something with what she has. So that is what I want to inculcate to all of you, that do something with what you have and not with what you don't have. It's yeah. And I'd like to show you my hero. All right, Nick. I've been following him from my 2002 when I joined my MBA, when my professor introduced. All right, and now my Prof Jackson is in the UK. Nick is from Australia. He's alive. He is my role model. All right, this is Nick Wojcik. All right, amazing person. He's an author. He's a multifaceted guy. Author, speaker, writer, swimmer, technocrat, presenter, coach, whatnot he does. Okay, but Nick is born challenged. He doesn't have hands. He doesn't have legs. He doesn't have limbs. But this is how Nick was brought up. All right, this is how he wrote. Is it visible, ma'am, sirs, everyone? Yes, no, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So if Nick is able to do this, and this is a book which really changed my mindset, Life Without Limits. All right, this is one book I recommend all of you. If you have time, you can buy that. Amazing book by Nick Wojcik. This is his personal website. If you have time, you can just take a print screen, or I can even send this to you guys. How Nick at this age is able to do amazing talks. He is so Atmanirbhar. Even though Nick doesn't have 2 hands and legs, he is blessed with twins. All right. So sometimes God will help you like that, That's his beautiful family. All right. And that's how Nick takes classes before pandemic. And I'll also show you how Nick takes classes during pandemic. All right. Can somebody tell me, is he doing Atmanirbhar or is he having somebody to guide him? Laptop ek hai, dusra laptop hai, connected hai. You see, he is using the mouse. He does everything by himself. My dear friends, where you are listening me from, I just want to request you, when Nick can do this without a hand, without a leg, God has blessed you and me so much, so much, so much. What are you doing with what you have is my question. Design thinking is not about talking about empathy, testing, prototyping, and all this stuff. Do a design thinking about yourself. Do a design thinking about your own thinking, and then you see things will change. All right. That's a big conferences when it talks. And I love the statement when it says, you will never see your full potential until you seek your full potential. All right. Now, this is during pandemic, his webinars, he just writes, he does with the marker, whatever he is having. All right. So,
Samuel sir.
yeah.
Sir, this is Jagarajan sir.
Yeah. Reminder.
So now, yes, now time is 3:45,
Yes,
sir.
I kept, thank you. I have 15 minutes. Thanks, sharp. Yeah. Okay. So now, thanks, sir, for the reminder, Tagranza. So why I'm showing you Nick is it's not just Nick. Even in India, there are so many teachers who are teaching like that. All right. So the reason I showed you this is, all right, if Nick can do it, why can't I? Just this question, nothing else. If Nick can do it, why can't I do it? All right. So I just want to stop here. Okay. And let's come to the view model. Let's come to gallery view. Let me put myself into the spotlight. Now quickly tell me, are you able to see my video? Quick, my video. Yes, no, no,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. So I'll just quickly show you. I don't know whether, can you see my studio around? Can you see that lights?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now just give me a minute. Let me take my hard disk. Yeah. Now, do you know why I'm putting these lights and all this stuff? Okay. My vice chancellor did not tell me to do this. All right. I'm an assistant director. I need not do this. I can say, boss, मेरा designation बड़ा है, मेरा ये है, मेरा वो है. All right. 2 lakh salary मेरे को क्या चाहिए? ये सब, easily we can talk about all these things. All right. I'm 15 years in VIT and bullshit, man. So what? I want to be someone. I don't want to be anyone. Okay. So now after this design thinking workshop on education, don't go and ask your budget. These are small, small things. It is my quality. It's my thing. Now you see here, I'm switching off my light. All right. And I'm turning off my other light. Now, can you see my camera? कैसे दिख रहा हूँ? एकदम अच्छा दिख रहा हूँ.
Not clearly, sir.
हाँ? नल्ला तेरे कर्पा काला कव्वा दिख रहा है ना? हाँ? Yes or no? All right. Now, this is reality, my dear friends. Welcome to the world of reality. Now, if I want to be a global teacher, if I want to teach foreign universities, now, do you think this is adding value to me? Quickly, come on, answers quick. We're going to close. No. Does this answer, does this add value?
No.
No, but I don't have crores of money to build a studio in my home. So मैंने क्या किया भाई, एक लाइट डाल दिया, देखो थोड़ा गोरा हो गया. हो गया? हाँ? ये तो पारूंगा. कौन सा white hat है? At least you're able to see me now. Are you getting my point? What I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
क्या हो गया भाई? What happened to the teachers? क्यों ठंडा पड़ गया यार? What happened?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, in all this pandemic, you attended so many webinars, thousands of webinars. All right. Make a note of it. Tonight, some of you won't sleep, I bet you. Because I want you to be people who do something. So what I did is, can you see this lighting? Crompton, dikh raha hai? Quickly, yes, no, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is not about 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. This is called Crompton Twist. All right, it is a 10 watt. Okay, 160 rupees. I'm in a village. My village name is Mandadam. You can search it on the net. 23 kilometers away from Vijayawada, from Andhra, in Andhra. It's a village, not more than 4,000 people. Small village. If I can get it in my village, you can get it in your city. Yes. All right. And not only Crompton. Don't think I'm a brand ambassador of Crompton. Crompton is there. Havells is there. Philips is there. So the reason why I bought this, because it's called twist. You can change the angle. Are you understanding? Yeah. And I don't know whether you can see this. I don't know. Are you able to see this wire?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yeah. All this is bought. It is not made. because there's a joy in doing it by yourself. When I'm teaching design thinking, when I'm teaching a faculty teaching entrepreneurship and design thinking, if I can't design my own studio, then what the hell about Atmanirbhar yaar? For everything VC, for everything HOD, for everything HOD budget नहीं देता है. अरे मरता क्यों है रे? 160 रुपए नहीं है भगवान ने नहीं दिया तेरे को. नू तेरोदरू इल्ली हवाल केले. Is my question tough?
Yes, we can do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Now, then I thought, boss, I want to create more light. Okay. Now you see, I'll show you the other one. Can you see this one? When you see this, what do you think? I got a courier, right? That's my wife's name, address, and my father-in-law sent some dabba courier. So मैंने क्या किया? What did I do? I made a hole. I brought a holder. And I just made a high-end. You can see here inside. There's
Silver
nothing.
foil.
I just put aluminum silver foil, and you can see the LED bulb there. 60 rupees, 70 rupees, holder 8 rupees, wire 30 rupees. Finish. I put this dabba in on the roof terrace for 2 days in the sun. Corona died. Then I brought it inside. Then I put it. Now I keep this on the center, and this gives me. I use this only when I record my lectures. All right. So there are 10,000 things, my dear teachers. All right. जिसको करना है वो कर सकता है यार. जिसको करना है वो कर सकता है. Okay. Then if you want to shine more, okay, you feel sir मुझे और गोरा दिखना है. So what you do is you buy a thermocol. Can you see here? Thermocol?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
It's in my studio, right? 25 rupees or 20 rupees. I don't know in your place how much they sell, but it's very economical. Now on the thermocol, what I did is to shine more, because cinema में देखे ना in movie, did you see that?
Yeah, they carry a
reflectors?
whiteboard. Yeah.
That's called reflectors. Am I right? Hero के सामने they will put, no sir. Yeah.
Yes.
So I went to a general store, fancy store. I said I want some covers. This is, I think so, 100 pieces. I don't know, 35, 42 something rupees is written. Okay. Now what is this here? Okay, this is nothing. This is a food packing. Curry point, you know, in Andhra they get curry point. Yeah. So now you see, is it shining or not?
Yes. Reflecting.
It's shining, sir.
Face thoda reflect ho raha hai. Yeah. Can you see from black I became white? Ekdam foreign Hollywood hero. Can you see me? Yeah. So my dear friends, design thinking can be applied right in the room where you're sitting. Now, I want to challenge you. Don't just attend and get certificate. Certificate को वहाँ इल्ले. Certificate को मुँह नहीं है बात करने के लिए. तुम्हारा दिमाग में मुँह है. All right. You should make the sessions. You should make something and show to the world and tell the world, hey, this is what it is. And many people know, but they won't tell. That is another problem in India. All right. अगर आपको और गोरा होना है ना, I will recommend you देखो. Fair and Lovely. Okay. This is called what? Aluminum foil, no? Do you know this aluminum foil?
Yeah, packing material.
हाँ, बस इसको खरीदो, open this. हाँ, इधर वांगे तो open पड़ेंगे, वेचकोंगे. All right. Then this is the mic which I will recommend you. Boya. I told you, know that mic I showed you? BYM1. That's a code. Okay. It's a very good pouch. You get a beautiful pouch. All right. There's a mic. It's one way. It's to record. All right. Maybe you'll just get it for $14-15 in Amazon. So that is there. And then I would also recommend you to have all this. I did it only after I got the design thinking in for my lab. All right. For home studio. I would recommend you to have a small tripod to keep your mobile fixed. And the beauty of this is everybody buys a fixed tripod, but you know this one? All right. This is a flexible one. Can you see this? You can bend it however you want. Why? Suppose you're going out on the road. You're going to a civil engineer is going to a construction site. A biotechnologist is going to some lab or some field. All right. You found a very good scene there. You want to record it, but you don't have anyone. So just go there, keep this up. If you find a pole or tree, just go and fix it there. You understand what I'm saying? And then keep your mobile here. Okay. And you can be Atmanirbhar. Yes or no? Hello,
Yes,
faculty members, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma. Irkringla illa ma. Okay. always have external hard disk. I have 2 external hard disks of 1 TB because I don't depend only on this. Okay, what happens if the server is gone? I have everything on cloud, but always better to have a, let's say, have a power bank, because even if power goes off 4 hours, I can still run my show, and in 4 hours I can finish my session. All right. So I told you about hard disk, I told you about this, I told you about pen drive, I told you about always have an external webcam. This is Microsoft external headcam. It's a HD, just a plug and play. Then this is my writing pad. I'm writing right now. Can you see this? Wacom series. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, we can see it.
Yeah, so it comes with a stylus here. You just have to keep the stylus here, all right, and just fix it in the, and then you just have to use here to write this one. So this is 4,500 bucks. There is 8,000, there's 10,000, there's 40,000, there's 1 lakh, there's 2 lakhs also. So it's up to you and your investment, whatever you want to keep. And at the end, I want to recommend you to have this. What is this?
Books.
Egg trays. These are not used ones. These are new ones. All right. If you go to shopping mall and all the stuff, they give you fixed ones, right? So you can ask them where they're getting from. So 10 bucks, 15 bucks, 20 bucks. So I bought 13 or 14 for my room, wherever you're sitting. In the olden days, before technology didn't come, for sound acoustics, for proof, soundproof, echo, vibration, you can keep this in your wall, wherever you keep it. All right. And fix it so that when you talk, there is no sound vibration. All right. This will make the sound less. Okay. So all these things are so easy ones. I wish that don't think you need lakhs of rupees for a studio. All right. And the reason I did all these things is just to ensure that whatever I do, I should do with quality, because I am representing my university. And VIT University is not small. And if I'm the assistant director of academic staff college, people will look up to us, yaar ye to assistant director hai, ye kya kiya, people will talk about it. Okay, so maybe what you can do is, are you seeing my YouTube there?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So just go to YouTube anytime and put Samuel Johnson Home Studio VIT, something like that. So you will get all my videos. Yeah. I've given every instruction, my camera, what I use, how small it is, how things are, where to get that. So, or what I can do is, can you see that my video there? Yes, no, no, yes. Hello?
Yes, sir. We are getting your video, sir.
Yeah.
Go ahead,
So
go
what
ahead.
I'll do is, I'll just give you, rather than giving my video, I'm putting my channel here on the chat. So if you want, because every week I keep posting updates, new technology tools. Did you get this thing on the chat? Did you get my channel on the chat? Yes, no, no, yes. Yeah. So you can just go there and you can see there videos. All right. Lot of things. I cover up talks. I have my own live videos. All right. So you can go there and see whatever it is. Even morning I had a talk. It gave me a lot of avenues to meet international people, talk to people, authors of different countries. So it helps. So can you see me there with Anime Phil?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anil Map, USA.
Yeah. When did I do this date?
4/11/2020, sir.
That means this month only, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
All right. So, and this is this morning. Can you see here? 11:11, 8 hours before. That means early morning, 7 o'clock. So there's a guy sitting in Texas in the US, and I'm in my village, and I'm teaching him online guitar. All right. So a lot of things can happen if you know what to do and how to do. All right. So I teach music, I teach fitness, I work. All right. So it depends on whatever you want to do it. But if you want to have a posh life, things, okay, that's the fitness thing, all right. Many people don't know how to do skipping. So anything and everything, the reason I'm showing you this is have your own stuff, have your own website, which is easy for people to reach you. So if you want to get all my Instagram, my WhatsApp, all right, I'll just put it there for you guys. I think so. I don't know whether you got it on the chat or, oh gosh. Okay, did you get it on the chat? Yeah. And somebody was asking for email. So what I can do is, okay, I've given my email also on the chat. Did you get it, sir, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. So do something, be strong on social media. And at the end of my website, you can see my YouTube channel, my LinkedIn, my Instagram, everything. So we can keep in touch. I hope it's 4 o'clock now, and I was asked to speak till 4. Thank you so much. Let me remove the spotlight. Let me come to the gallery view. At least now, can I just see your video cameras on and then just say hi bye to you guys. And we welcome you anytime to our university. VIT University is open to you people for collaboration, for learning. I want to thank the college from Pondicherry for their effort. And I know all of you are educated and all of you are super experienced. But my simple question should not offend you. What is that you did something which others did not do during pandemic? All right. I've written funded projects during pandemic. I've got funded projects during pandemic. I've got placements for my students during pandemic, not small placements, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 44 lakhs Microsoft to my students. I got foreign collaborations during pandemic. I've written book chapters during pandemic. I've written a research paper during pandemic. I've taken 4 regular courses during the pandemic. My batch size is 105. One batch, 105 into 3 batches. So I have 320 students, paper correction, evaluation, assignments. I have the same work, but still I have more administrative roles. So everybody has the same thing, my dear friends. So my only challenge is, do you want to just attend programs, or do you want to be a most sort of a speaker to impact people's life? I wish let's all come together, build our nation. Only keep that all of us cannot do everything, but each of us can do something. I repeat again, all of us cannot do everything, but each of us can do something. If we can do that something, then I'm sure whatever Pondicherry College and Dr. Tyagarajan and Department of Mechanical Engineering, whatever they're doing, and government is sponsoring it. And when AICT sponsors, don't think it's government money. You are paying the tax and I'm paying the tax. It's all our money. Can we make our India more better? Can we bring high quality classes during online? And I want to close with my favorite quote here. No pandemic can stop any academics at VIT University. This is what I wrote and gave it to my teachers. No pandemic can stop any academics, all right, in my university. So can you take that pledge? And may God bless wherever you are. Thank you so much for all the comments. Many people are saying, sir, thank you. They're fully charged up and something they're talking about. Can I just quickly see some of you, if you want to just share 1 or 2 minutes, what is your action goals you want to do now? All right. What did you think the design thinking is all about? Is it about listening or is it about doing? All right. Swarnalatha, you're typing something. Can you unmute yourself and unmute your video? Can we just unmute video and take a photo at least, at least some
Good evening,
photo?
sir.
Hi, good evening. Yes. Quickly introduce about yourself and
I'm Swarnalatha.
kya
I'm
hua
from St.
aaj?
Pius
Kya hua?
College, Hyderabad, sir.
Saint?
St. Pius
Okay,
College
Hyderabad,
from
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir. I'm
Haan ji.
very impressed, sir. Actually, when I was listening to this session, at the beginning of the pandemic lockdown, I wanted to set up my own studio, but I was a little worried that how much cost it would be. And with that cost pictures, really, I dropped down my idea. And after seeing this video, definitely I wanted to, start again that thought. Thank you so much, sir.
Good. Swarnalatha, you can do amazing job. Yeah. And money is not a factor here. It is a mindset which needs a skill set. So at
True,
least,
sir.
yeah, you can go to the videos and check.
Yes,
You can
even
develop.
I to follow John Wick videos, sir.
Yes. So let people follow Swarnalata. Yeah. No, that should be the way. Nothing wrong. Yeah. So, so thanks for attending. We need to thank the college. Yep. Anyone,
Yes, sir.
quick. Come on, unmute your videos. Otherwise, it becomes very. Gurpreet ji, namaskar.
Namaskar, sir. So my, I think life goal now is empowering people, because I've left my job where I contributed for 22 years. I left that comfortable job to empower teachers and become tech savvy. And your session today really motivated me that I am on the right track, and I will somehow, together we can, and we'll be able to make a difference in the education sector. So thank you so much for that session. I really enjoyed the session. Thank you.
Good. And you're sitting in Delhi, so you have more responsibility.
Yes.
So because you're in the capital, and yeah, so do that. Any help reaches to the college.
I'll definitely connect
details.
with you, sir. I'll
Yeah,
definitely
everything.
connect with you.
All right.
If I can have your Gmail ID, that would be great.
I've given on the chat and my website.
Okay, I'll just see. Yeah,
can
probably
see
I
there.
missed that message. I'll
You
just
see
that.
there now. Just I've typed it. Can you see there?
Yeah. Now I've got it.
My
Thank you so
website,
much.
my email.
Thank you
Everything
so
is
much, sir. Thank you for that inspiration.
Thank you. Namaskar. Thank you.
Namaskar.
Yes, quick. Anyone? Jaldi. Quick. At last, anyone? Do you want to have a photo or something? Group photo? Anyone? We're too shy in our country. That's a problem. So it's fine. It doesn't matter. Haji. Zakana ji, Gujarat.
Yes, Gujarat.
Puche majama.
Bas majama.
Bolo.
Sir, learned many things, and I'll try to add to my teaching. But as a person, I want to know, like, if I want to learn any new language, so how should I start?
What language do you want to learn?
Sanskrit, first of all.
Sanskrit. Yeah. Learning languages is a totally different ball game. The first thing is, rather than writing and reading, learn how to speak. You need to have people around you to speak that. So I will give you, you can take down my email there. You can just shoot a mail. There are so many websites. I don't know whether I've typed one, Duolingo. Did you go to that, Duolingo? I've typed there, duolingo.com.
Yes.
Did you see that? It's a wonderful website for foreign languages, for Hindi, for Sanskrit. Amazing. And learn Sanskrit online. So many are there. But aapko bolna hoga. All right. See, I've learned 7 Indian languages. It's only by talking. Yeah. But I'm sorry to tell you, I cannot read and write my mother tongue now. I cannot read and write Tamil, but I can speak Tamil. I cannot read and write Malayalam, but I can speak Malayalam. I can speak, but it helps me to reach that zone. I can go anywhere in Kerala. I can go anywhere in India. All right. I can go to Bihar. I can speak in Dehati Bhojpuri. All right. You understand what I'm talking about. So reading is okay, but you need to speak up. Right. So there are so many websites and apps. You can speak. It'll tell you whether you're right or wrong. All right. Always have a teacher. Yeah. So it's good. And Sanskrit is wonderful. It's a very ancient script. So
first I would try to learn that, but yes, I want to learn many more languages as a hobby.
Okay. Can I tell you one thing? Always have a question. Why of what? Why do you want to do what you do? Why I want to learn what I'm learning, and then you'll definitely get it. Yeah. So please do that. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So Gujarat mein thoda अच्छे से कर लो. All right. And then
yes, sir, absolutely.
You can teach anyone. Last month I did a program for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University. It's a state university in
yes, SVNIT. It's in Surat.
Yeah, Surat. Yeah. I did a FDP for them from MHRD. Yeah, some project. Good. Thank you for coming from Gujarat. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, quick. Anyone last before I hand it over to Tyagarajan sir? Okay, Dr. Tyagarajan sir, over to you. Yeah, and to the organizing team. Thank you so much.
So really, it's a wonderful session, sir.
Thank you.
It is very interactive and very interesting. So as a faculty, we have learned online platform how to design a lab.
Good.
So we can, you know, the small things we can build up a studio. It's a really nice one.
Yeah, that's how
Really, it's
design
a
thinking
very
really helps. Yeah. So maybe when Tyagaraja sir is saying, if anybody wants any help, you can just type your email and your subject on the chat. I can just save that and send it to you in your emails, whatever you want. So if you're interested, you can just type your email and the subject name, you know. So if you're from physics or chemistry or whatever, every subject has got amazing design thinking case studies. So you can do that, or I can send all these tools, what it is, or my channel is there, so you guys can take it across. Yeah. So yes, sir. Tyagarajan sir, over to you by the time.
So almost we are at the end of the session, sir.
How many more days do you have, Tyagarajan sir? This.
Tomorrow is the last date, sir. Tomorrow we have one more session tomorrow.
What is the topic tomorrow?
Topic innovation, sir. Design
Sorry?
innovation.
Okay, design innovation.
Design for innovation.
Okay.
A member from Indian Institute of Management, Dr. S. Manigandan.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay.
Is going to handle the two sessions, sir.
Is it the IM Manigandan sir, or which one I
Institute of Management, Tiruchirappalli.
IM Trichy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I couldn't hear that. Okay, yeah, yeah. All right. So thanks. Let's do the best. And I think so. There are 3 people who have given the email, and I will just put it to Sir Tyagarajan sir in his WhatsApp, and maybe we can take it up and mail it to them. All right. So thank you so much, everyone. Let's do the best and keep the nation as high as possible. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Tyagarajan sir, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
I hope we did justice for your invitation.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. We are all enjoyed, and we have in a position to build up the nation.
Yes, yes. So did you teach them how to download attachment from the chat? Did anybody tell them, or do they know, like participants? Do they know that how to do?
Sir,
We have taken the links, sir.
Link to Lelia. What I'm talking is, if I've put the attachment of books, yeah. So I've given a workbook. Are you getting some books there? Whatever I showed you in PDF, and there's a research paper also I've given. Did you get it on your chat?
Yes, sir. We are getting it. Design thinking education.
Yeah, I've sent you
Yes,
one
sir,
research paper. I've sent you that book of 120 pages.
Yes, sir. We got 3 PDF format. That is
yeah.
design thinking, IDEO.
Yeah, so everybody can
paper.
download it now, so that it reduces our time. Yeah. So thank you so much, all of you. God bless wherever you are. Take care. So can I leave?
Thank you,
yes, sir.
Samuel,
Thank you,
sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you,
that
Ji.
session.
Thank you.
Thank
Do
you.
good. Do good. दिल्ली में ठोको सब कुछ अभी. Design thinking.
Yes, yes. Sir.
हाँ, बोलो हम भी स्टूडियो बना दिया.
Yes, sir.
फोटो
Sure.
डाल दो पूरे फेसबुक में.
Sure.
हाँ जी. चलो. Take care. Bye. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm leaving the meeting. Huh? Thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
Be safe, everyone, wherever you are. Take care. God bless. Bye.